Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create spiders from mouth effects on Higgsfield. So it you just see as the effect looks as if the spider is coming from the mouth of the subject. All you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, sign in or create an account, click on the visual effects section here, then click on spiders from mouth. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to this type of page. You can just click on any of these images or any of these videos generated to create a very similar video, or click on the generate section here. So once you click on the generate section, you'll be brought to a page here like this. What you have to do from here is to just describe your prompt, upload your image, select your model, duration and resolution, then click on generate, and in minutes your video will be generated for you, and all you do is to just download it. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to our channel.